How to use ChatGPT to defeat cybercriminals. As an AI language model, ChatGPT can assist in identifying and mitigating cyber threats in a few ways. 1. Providing information and resources. ChatGPT can provide information on cybersecurity best practices, such as strong password creation, identifying phishing emails, and avoiding malicious websites. ChatGPT can also recommend cybersecurity resources, such as antivirus software, firewalls, and intrusion detection systems. 2. Responding to cybersecurity incidents. ChatGPT can assist in identifying and responding to cybersecurity incidents. For example, if a user suspects that their computer has been compromised, ChatGPT can provide guidance on steps to take, such as disconnecting from the internet and contacting IT support. 3. Training and awareness. ChatGPT can assist in training and raising awareness of cybersecurity issues among employees. By providing regular training sessions or quizzes, ChatGPT can help educate employees on best practices and potential threats. 4. Analyzing cyber threats. ChatGPT can analyze cyber threats by reviewing logs and data, identifying patterns and anomalies that could indicate malicious activity. This information can then be used to proactively defend against future attacks. Overall, ChatGPT can assist in several ways to identify, prevent, and mitigate cyber threats. However, it is important to note that cybersecurity is an ever-evolving field, and it requires ongoing vigilance and proactive measures to stay ahead of cybercriminals.